Check out this kettle foam sludge dewatering example. Influent sludge, 3% solids. It goes into our screw press. Equipped with a built-in flocculation mixing tank. Form large flocculant masses. After flocculation, the sludge enters the dewatering chamber. The entire unit is made of SS304. In 3 to 5 years, you'll hardly replace any wear parts. Outlet sludge cake at 20% solids content, which can then be fermented and reused as organic fertilizer. Simple, durable, and sustainable. Interested? Feel free to connect us anytime.